Now that the dust has settled on SpaceX's first Falcon Heavy mission, the company is returning to its routine with another release of Falcon 9 this weekend. The rocket is scheduled to take off from California early Saturday, sending an Earth observation satellite called Peace for Spain. The rocket will also have 2 additional satellites hitchhiking for the trip, prototype probes built by SpaceX to test the technology needed to transmit internet from space. The delivery of these 2 test spacecraft, called Microsat-2a and Microsat-2b, is a great first step in SpaceX's long-term plans to create satellite internet. The company wants to create a giant constellation of nearly 12,000 satellites that will orbit a synchronized dance on Earth, transmitting internet connectivity to antenna receivers on the planet's surface. A set of 4,425 satellites will be located about 700 miles high, while 7,518 satellites will be located at about 200 miles high and will operate on a different radio frequency. A fleet of such massive satellites will be constantly moving around the planet and will supposedly be able to provide coverage to virtually any point on Earth at all times.